Hi, thanks for watching Artie's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a Toyota Corolla. First thing you need to do is open up the hood on a Toyota Corolla. The level is down underneath the column, as you can see right here. Pull it. Follow me to the hood now. Open up the hood. There's a level under the hood. Hold around. Now the air filter is right here on this car, the big box. Big box. You have two clips. 1, 2. Then you just angle it and lift it up. You just lift it up. It's not too dirty, but the customer replaced the air filter. They decided he's going to buy the air filter with the cabin filter, so might as well change this. Use the box. And the important thing is, you got a long side and a short side. Make sure you put the long side down. Then if you look here, there's 2 notches. Angle them both in. Push down and pull one flap in and the second one in. That's it, done. Thanks for watching.